What's up, people? We got something special right here, a little TRX-4 High Trail Edition F-150 Ranger. Full Ranger. But it's not blue.
It's not?
We got the Special Edition Black.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm sorry this isn't a true unboxing because I have already taken it out of the box because I was too excited. So we'll do a little fake unboxing for you right now.
Oh. Oh.
Trash. I did take it out and I did run it a little bit because I was too excited. But there she is.
Whoa.
In all her glory.
Beautiful.
This has got the lift kit on it, the locking diffs, the 2-speed transmission. It's got a 21-turn Titan brush 3S system in it. But we got a Quick Run Fusion Pro 2-in-1 system from Hobby Wing. That's going to be going in here, and that's going to be a major brushless upgrade for this. Crawl speed, crawl control, I guess top speed too. Top speed is going to be a lot faster. Not that that really matters for a crawler, but
or pushing for the cushion.
Yes. Perks of having fun.
You literally just unclip it just like that. 4 little clips on the inside, nice and easy.
Wow.
So we got our front diff, our rear diff locker, and our 2-speed transmission micro servos, and the Titan 21-turn 550 motor, which is going to be replaced by this Hobby Wing Quick Run. It eliminates the ESC. Somehow they fit it all in here. The ESC is also in here. I don't know how, but maybe science. I don't know.
Science, it's gotta be.
We can blame science, or thank science. Come on. We're hoping for a boy. We're hoping for a boy. It's a boy!
All right, guys, so we're going to throw this motor in here, and we'll be right back with you. Boom! There's the old 12-turn system.
And there's the new, programmed and ready to go.
Whoa! That's a crawler, bro. Chill out, chill out. Whoa! This Hobby Wing rips. All right, so after the Hobby Wing motor's in here, this thing's a little crazy. It's not a crawler anymore. It's a wheelie machine. Front wheelie, back wheelie. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The drag brake is set at 100%, so that's why that's happening. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, she's fast now. We already messed the hitch
We
up.
lost a little bit of skin here. Make it look nice again.
Got to. I mean, it'll still be able to pull the Jeep. We already know. Since everybody in the comments says, oh, my TRX-4 can do that. All right, now we got a little wood obstacle for the TRX-4 to go across. Just a bunch of firewood. Always finding ways to have fun with just random stuff. And you can watch paint dry while it crawls. It crawls so smooth and so slow. I mean, check this out, guys. It's moving so slow that we could just sit here and read a book in the time that it takes to get across these logs. This thing is a creeper in a good way, though.
It's moving so slow, we have time to tell you about our contest. The unveiling of the TRX-4 gang.
The TRX gang shirt here. You know what that is. That's one of those nice websites that you could actually visit.
It's family-friendly website.
Family-friendly website, and comes with the TRX
Gang!
Okay guys, if you buy anything off of our website, such as our t-shirts, hats, or anything, you get automatically entered to win a brand new red sledge. So go check out lifeofballin.com and get yourself entered today.
We're giving away a sledge. I know you want one.
TRX gang. Yeah. Nice.
Here. I mean, it's sand. How to use speed to get up it. He's digging. He's digging. Little bit of throttle and get up it.
Yeah.